We're still holding on to some light snow and flurries across the area, getting some little coatings in the northern part of the state. But again, that transition to freezing rain and then eventually all rain overnight into early tomorrow morning. So we look at North Scituate. Now, this is the intersection of 101 and 102. The road is being salted, so you do see some bare pavement, but on the edges you got some coatings of snow. 28 degrees, so it's below freezing. The problem is it'll transition to rain eventually, 2-3 hours from now. But with rain and temperatures below freezing, that's freezing rain, so that'll be an issue overnight in some areas into early tomorrow morning. So for the overnight hours, any leftover snow goes over to freezing rain, and then all rain in most areas, non-freezing rain. And tomorrow morning you'll actually need the umbrella. It's mainly rain, but lingering in the far northwest corner of the state, we may still have temperatures hovering around freezing, so some icy conditions there. But even northwest Rhode Island, you'll go well above freezing later in the morning. In fact, during the afternoon hours, it'll be milder, 40 to 45 degrees. Rain coming to an end by mid-afternoon. So near or just below freezing, Providence points north and west, low to mid-30s along the south shore. So we've got 34 in Newport right now. The gray and the white indicating some light snow, the green to the south. That is rain across the mid-Atlantic. All this moisture will continue to work in overnight through at least the first half of tomorrow, and then it dries out later tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. So when we take you into the future, move ahead to tomorrow morning at about 6 a.m., it's mostly in the form of rain as the snow advances north of the Mass Pike. Rain will continue through about noontime tomorrow. But notice the second half of the day, the precipitation heading offshore, it actually dries out, so the evening commute tomorrow looks a lot better than the morning commute as far as precipitation. Move ahead to Friday, which is a windy, dry, and colder day with some sunshine. Clear, cold, and dry Friday night if you're heading out. Next system has more moisture. This arrives on Saturday afternoon and evening with snow. Potential is there for like 1 to 3 inches of snow by Saturday evening before another transition over to rain Saturday night and especially on into Sunday. Here's a close-up look showing some of the snow that's overhead right now, which will continue for several more hours. At about 3 o'clock in the morning, we've got Providence south. This green represents rain, but this pink, 32 degrees, is some freezing rain for a few more hours. Mainly a non-freezing rain by early tomorrow morning, but we'll have to watch northwest suburbs at around, say, 5, 6 in the morning. But even here, going above freezing, rain 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning up until about noon. But notice the second half of the day during the afternoon, it starts to dry out. We remain cloudy, but drier the second half of the day. And look at the temperatures going up well above freezing in the lower 40s by mid-afternoon. And then you start to see some partial clearing and dry weather by tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. How much snow? There's not a lot. Generally thin, slushy coatings in this area in white. Maybe perhaps a ½ inch up to an inch in north and west of Route 295. But most of this is actually going to kind of wash away by tomorrow morning as we go over to some rain. It's that pre-dawn hour, especially in this pink zone of, say, 4, 5, 6 in the morning. It's raining at 32, so watch for some icy conditions there. But more than likely, you'll need the umbrella tomorrow morning with rain. Some icy conditions still lingering north and west. Temperatures rising above freezing. Milder tomorrow afternoon. The rain shuts down early afternoon. Drier the second half of the day. All right, 7-day forecast. Catch a break on Friday. Here we go again on Saturday with snow and sleet accumulating Saturday evening, switching over to rain Saturday night. A steady rain, heavy at times of all things on Sunday, milder on Sunday with temperatures mid-40s. The further north you go overnight tonight, tomorrow morning, just be careful.
All right, Tony, thanks. Coming up next.